In this lesson, we're going to put fractions in order from greatest to least. So if we have a problem like this that says put these fractions in order from greatest to least, and we have 2 over 8, 3 over 4, 7 over 8, 8 over 12. So the best way to do this is to use a model. So here's how the model of these fractions look. For the first one, we would have a circle cut into 8 equal parts, and 2 of them would be shaded. So the circle here has 8 equal parts. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 2 are shaded. 3 over 4 would be a circle that would be cut into 4 equal parts and 3 shaded in. 7 over 8 would be a circle that's cut into 8 equal parts and 7 shaded in. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shaded, and 8 total equal parts. 8 over 12 will have 12 equal parts, a circle cut up into 12 equal parts with 8 of them shaded. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 equal parts and 8 of them shaded in. So let's put the fractions in order from greatest to least. We could see that 7 over 8 is the biggest fraction. It has the most shaded in. So we know that one's going to be the biggest one and it'll go first. So let's put that in. So this one would be first. Let me write that. So first. Then the next biggest piece to me looks like this one, 3/4. So that one's the one that's going to be next, right? So this one is going to be second. So let's write that in. 8 over 12 is the next biggest one, right? This is the next biggest one because 3/4 would have this one shaded in. So 8 over 12 is the third one. And then finally, we have 2 over 8, and that's the smallest fraction. We could see only 2 pieces here shaded in. So this one is fourth. And that's it. There you have it. And don't worry if you don't get this right away. You could just rewatch the video. And if you need other resources, I have other videos, and you can find them in this description. There's links to them. As well, you could use the ebook. You could download it, and this exact lesson can be found in the ebook, and you could follow along there.